Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I am so excited about today's video because we are going to be talking about a piece of technology that could genuinely change the way you work, study, and handle your day-to-day tasks. Let me ask you a quick question before we dive in. How many times have you sat down at your desk with a cup of coffee feeling completely motivated to crush your to-do list, only to be stopped in your tracks by a sluggish, unresponsive computer? We have all experienced that dreaded spinning loading wheel. You try to open a web browser and it takes a solid 2 minutes. You try to run multiple applications at once and the whole system completely freezes on you. It is beyond frustrating. It absolutely destroys your workflow, and frankly, you deserve better. If you are tired of dealing with slow technology that holds you back, then you are in exactly the right place today. We're doing a deep dive review of the HP ProTower 290G9 business desktop computer. This is a machine that has been generating a lot of buzz lately, specifically for people who need a highly reliable, incredibly fast, and budget-friendly PC for education, student life, and everyday home office use. Before we get into all the juicy details, I want to mention that if you decide you want to pick one of these up, or if you just want to check the current pricing and read some customer reviews for yourself, I have gone ahead and put a direct link right down in the description below. Clicking that link is the absolute best way to see if Amazon is running any special sales or discounts right now, so be sure to check that out at some point during the video. Now, let us start off by talking about the overall design and aesthetic of this desktop, because I think HP really nailed it here. The ProTower 290G9 features a very sleek, professional color that HP calls carbon black. In a market where so many computers are covered in aggressive, flashy lights, there is something incredibly refreshing about a classic, clean, and understated tower design. This is a computer that is going to look fantastic no matter where you put it, whether you're setting it up in a strict corporate office environment, placing it in a cozy home study, or squeezing it into a college dorm room. It blends in perfectly. It doesn't scream for attention, but rather it just sits there, quietly ready to get the job done. It's a traditional tower form factor, meaning it provides a sturdy anchor for your workspace, either up on your desk or tucked away underneath it. And as a really nice bonus, HP actually includes a standard human interface keyboard right inside the box. That means you're already one step closer to having a fully functional workstation the second this package arrives at your front door. But a computer cannot just look good, it actually has to perform. So let's move on to the real star of the show, which is the internal hardware. The absolute brain of this HP ProTower 290G9 is the incredibly capable Intel Core i5-12500 processor. If you're not a massive tech nerd and you're wondering what that specific processor name actually means for your daily life, let me translate it for you. The Intel Core i5 series is universally recognized as the ultimate sweet spot when it comes to balancing value and performance. This specific processor operates with a base speed of 3.0 GHz. For your casual everyday tasks like answering emails or streaming your favorite shows, it handles everything with effortless ease. But when you suddenly demand more power, for example, if you're exporting a massive PowerPoint presentation, crunching numbers in a giant Excel spreadsheet, or trying to multitask heavily, this CPU has a maximum turbo speed that boosts all the way up to a blistering 4.6 GHz. Furthermore, this processor sits on an LGA 1700 socket and features 18 megabytes of installed cache memory. Having 18 megabytes of cache means your applications are going to feel incredibly snappy, and those annoying little micro stutters you experience on older computers are practically a thing of the past. Of course, a fantastic processor can only do so much if it's being held back by a lack of memory. Thankfully, HP did not cut any corners here. Right out of the box, the ProTower 290G9 is equipped with 16 gigabytes of DDR4 SD RAM. In today's modern digital landscape, 16 gigabytes is the absolute gold standard for everyday productivity and educational use. You can have a high-definition video call running on one side of your screen, your favorite music streaming app playing in the background, a massive text document open, and 20 different web browser tabs active for your research, all happening at the exact same time. And this computer will simply not slow down. But what makes this specific desktop an incredibly smart long-term investment is its upgradability. The motherboard inside this tower supports a maximum RAM capacity of up to 64 gigabytes. This means that if 3 or 4 years down the road you decide you need more power, you can simply purchase more RAM, install it yourself in a few minutes, and significantly extend the lifespan of your machine. When it comes to storage, this HP desktop is equipped with a 512GB PCIe solid-state drive. Because it utilizes the advanced PCIe interface, this storage drive is remarkably fast. We're talking about pressing the power button and being completely booted up to the Windows home screen in just a matter of seconds. Applications that used to take a full minute to load will now launch almost instantly. Moving large files around feels instantaneous, and 512 gigabytes gives you more than enough local space to securely save your important school documents and install all your necessary software. Now let's discuss how this machine actually fits into your daily workflow. One of the absolute greatest features of the HP ProTower 290G9 is its native dual monitor support. The system utilizes integrated graphics with shared graphics RAM that is perfectly optimized to push crisp video to 2 separate displays at the same time. If you've never experienced the luxury of a dual monitor setup before, let me tell you, your overall productivity will skyrocket. You can have your reference materials open on your left monitor while you actively type out your essay on the right monitor. When it comes to getting connected to the internet, this desktop is state-of-the-art. It features built-in Wi-Fi 6 technology, giving you significantly faster download speeds, a more stable connection in crowded areas, and much lower latency. Whether you're attending an online university lecture or presenting a critical virtual business meeting, your connection will remain incredibly strong. It also comes equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, allowing you to seamlessly pair your wireless headphones, a wireless mouse, and a Bluetooth keyboard to create a completely cable-free desk setup. To wrap this whole amazing package together, the computer comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, bringing a visually centered interface that is incredibly intuitive. On Amazon right now, this exact desktop boasts a highly impressive 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 400 real customer reviews. It currently sits comfortably as the number 57 best-selling product in the highly competitive tower computers category. When you invest in this HP product, you're buying from a manufacturer with a proven track record of building reliable, professional-grade hardware. So, let's get down to the final verdict. If you're a dedicated student, a hardworking teacher, a professional operating out of a home office, or just someone who desperately needs a rock-solid, ultra-fast computer for everyday tasks, the HP ProTower 290G9 is an absolute home run. The powerful combination of that Intel Core i5 processor, 16 gigabytes of multitasking RAM, the blazing fast 512GB SSD, and the modern Wi-Fi 6 capabilities makes this one of the smartest buys on the market today. If you are finally ready to stop fighting with your slow computer and want an upgrade that works flawlessly every single time, do yourself a huge favor and click that link in the description below. Check out the current price, read a few positive reviews for yourself, and grab one to upgrade your desktop setup today. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch today's review. Please be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.